In JavaScript, the array reverse method reverses an array. First, we'll need an array, so let R equals an array with 1, 2, and 3. If we do r.reverse, then console.log r on the next line. Before we do anything, you'll notice from the way I've written the code that reverse mutates the original array. More on that later. For now, if we run the code, you'll see the array reversed. Now, to come back to mutation. If we don't want mutation, we could change this code to console.log r.toReversed. This makes it so r stays the same after the call to reversed. I won't go any further here, but I have a complete video on toReversed that I'll link to down below. One final thing to add, you can actually use reverse to reverse a string. If we do let s equals string hello, that's the first step. Next, the reverse is only a one-liner. S equals s.split on the empty string. This much converts s to an array that holds each character in hello. Dot reverse. This reverses the array that holds each character. Last, dot join of the empty string. This joins every character in the reversed array together and separates each character with nothing. If we console.log s and run the code, you'll see hello reversed. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.